Hello and welcome to Nutrition Academy, hosted by Nutrition Maker Software. My name is Doug and I'll be taking you through this training video today. Today we're going to show you how to edit meal plans, and we're going to also show you how to copy any of our existing meal plans, make copies and variations of those. In this way, you can expand your meal plan database very quickly. Even though Nutrition Maker has hundreds and hundreds of pre-made meal plan templates, there's always going to be a time when you need to edit one. And that's mainly based on your client's food preferences in terms of their likes and dislikes. In addition to this, we give you the ability to take one of our current meal plan templates and copy it, and then make edits or changes to that meal plan to create an entirely new meal plan. For instance, you could have a pescatarian plan and change it out with different fish. And that way, your pescatarian meal plan templates could be a whole variety, utilizing different types of fish for the main courses. So let's get right to it. Go to Settings on the left menu, expand it, drop down to Nutrition, and choose Meal Plans. Choose the meal plan you wish to copy. Give it a new name, then choose Copy. And the reason you want to be able to copy a meal plan and edit it is so that you can create variations of existing meal plans. For example, you could copy the pescatarian meal plan and switch out different types of fish so that you could have different pescatarian meal plans with different fish offerings on main meals or lunches. Copying and making a variation of a meal plan can save you time and allow you to increase your meal plan options very quickly. So here's our sample meal plan 2. We choose Edit. This takes you to the basic meal plan page that will show you the plan values up here, day values, etc. To edit, simply choose Add Edit Foods. And here you could switch out bagels by choosing Delete. Next, you could search for egg. Increase the number as needed. Once you've finished with breakfast or whichever meal you opt to choose, you can move to the next one, change the snacks, change out your lunch, the afternoon snack, dinner, and the evening snack. You can also go to separate days and change any foods or edit what you have there. When finished, click Save and Back. You can also add additional days. You can also add meals. You can clone days, paste meals from other days, or randomize as well. Under More Actions, you can also copy meals, rename things, change the times and notes. When finished, click on Save. And now you will have your sample meal plan number 2 with all the edits and or changes that you made. Thanks for watching. If you've gotten value out of this tutorial, we hope that you would click on the like button. As well, you may want to click on the subscribe and notify button so that you can keep up to date on new training tutorials and any new features that we offer in Nutrition Maker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.